Hey guys, welcome to the AI Insiders family. Today, we're going to show you how to create an amazing AI-generated video using two powerful tools, MidJourney for generating cool images and DID for animating and providing voiceover. Let's jump right in. Start by designing a character for your video using MidJourney. Drag and drop the image inside MidJourney's chatbot and submit it. Right-click the image and copy the image link. Then, craft your prompt describing how you want your output. For example, Anya Taylor-Joy realistic character, charming, hot, beautiful, with sparkling eyes and more details. Submit and wait for a while. Once your image is done, right-click and save it to your computer. Next up, bring your character to life. Head over to did.com, upload your image, and add your script. Choose a language, voice actor, and style. Then let it work its magic. Check the video, and if it's okay, download it. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece.
Hey, everyone! Today is a truly special day for me because it's my birthday. I am beyond grateful for all the love and support that I've received from my family, friends, and fans throughout the years. And, of course, I also want to express my gratitude to AI Insiders family for giving me the opportunity to be a digital avatar. It's been an amazing experience, and I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Upload your AI-generated video on your social media platforms and watch the views roll in. And that's it. You've now learned how to create an engaging AI-generated video using MidJourney and DID. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI awesomeness. Catch you next time. Bye.